Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Licia Rowe here with another video. It's a very tiny haul from TEMU. So I want to show you a couple things that I got, not in any particular order. I'm just gonna pick them up wherever they may be. I got a lot of things for like the office. As you guys know, I'm renovating this bedroom into my little office as my little getaway area for me. I do day trade. I've gotten into day trade and just to have my own space, because right now I share the room with my 2-year-old and my newborn baby, and that's how it's going to be for some time. So I decided to just take advantage of this space and turn it into a little office. So I have been decorating it little by little, and I ordered some stuff from TEMU just to help with some stuff. I'm actually going to be decorating this wall with wallpaper, so I got that. So I'm going to show you a little bit of things that I picked up along the way. I got the wallpaper. Now my brother-in-law did the measurements. I'm probably going to need more. I didn't even think about looking at the measurements, to be honest with you. I didn't even think about it. So let's take a look at it. Because I did look at the peel and stick for the laptop. It does, the picture quality does look, it's just printed. It's a printed picture on a peel and stick. That's what it looks like. So I want to see what this looks like. This actually looks better than the peel and stick for the laptop, to be honest with you. And I'll show you guys it. I did end up putting it on. So this is what will be on the wall right here. And I love it. It actually goes really nice with the decor. I like it. So I believe he measured the length was perfect. It's the width. I'm hoping it's enough. I'd probably need maybe one more. I think I can maybe get 2 rolls out of this. So I would probably need one more roll to finish it off. Here's what it looks like. So it's not too bad. Once it's all up, you guys will be able to see the look of it. I'm probably going to do it today. And then we got a peel and stick for the makeup dresser and for my workstation. Sorry, this hair is somewhere on my face. I can't find it. I don't remember which one that I want for, I think this is the one I want for my makeup area. And this is the one that I want for my desk. So let's open it up and see the quality. If there's enough, there should be, yeah, there's way more than enough. Maybe I'll even do the drawers and stuff too. The drawers and the cabinets. I'll probably do that too. All right, so that's not bad. That's actually really nice. I wonder how it would look on the wall. You know what? It don't look bad on the wall, you know. I wonder if I should switch. Because this one might be more than this. Is it? No, it looks like it's about the same maybe. I actually don't think this will look bad at the wall at all. I'm probably not going to do all of this today. It'll probably be a day at a time. I could probably do the wall real quick and maybe one of the dressers. I'll probably do my workstation, if anything, and the makeup area last. And then, oh, this one has, oh, is it the same? Okay, if it's the same, even better. I think I was supposed to order 2 of the wall one. Yeah, it is. Now I'm really wondering if I should put this on the wall. Because this, the dresser is so tiny, there'd be enough to finish the wall. And maybe put this on, I don't know, guys. Because now I'm thinking the workstation and that will be the exact same. I didn't even realize that I got 2. So now I'm thinking to maybe put this, but I don't think this will look good on a makeup area. This is more like a wall thing, no? Like, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? I don't know how this would work. Even on my workstation, I don't think I would like this on my workstation. I don't know if I would. I'm trying to think. Maybe, you know. I don't know. I got some things to think about. Because if I do end up using this on the workstation, then I could definitely finish the wall with this. Because this actually would look nice on the wall. Dilemma. So here's the peel and stick for the laptop. So this is one of them. So this is the one. So see what I mean? That it's just printed on the peel and stick. So there's it's literally just a picture that they printed off onto a peel and stick. So the quality is not that great. Actually, the wall ones are actually better to me. I ended up putting it on my laptop already. On one of my laptops. I got two because I have two laptops. But before we get into that, I'm going to show you this travel case that I also got for the laptop. So because I have two, one is going to be my main for my desk where it won't move. It's stationary to my desk. That's where it belongs. And whenever I'm traveling, going on the road, and I need to bring my laptop with me, I have my to-go laptop with this, which, guys, this is so cute. I'll put all the information below. This is so cute to me. So you have that. And you just open it and you can just work just like that. Just work, do your thing, close it, lock it up, pick it up, and you're gone. Let me show you the peel and stick. I didn't really do a good job putting it on. There's a lot of air pockets and stuff. I think it's going to be in this majority of the time. It's honestly not needed. But this is what it looks like. And I only did the front because the speaker and everything is at the back. And if I was to cover the speakers, then you wouldn't hear anything. Now, granted, I could probably cut it out and everything, but so much work. I might get a shield instead and the peel and stick. But as I said, it'll probably in this majority of the time, so there's really no need. So this is the other peel and stick. So this one looks even cheaper, in my opinion. You can see it's literally just a picture that was blown up and put on a peel and stick. That's exactly what it looks like. So I was a little scared when I seen this for the wall ones, but the quality looks way better than that. So this will be on the other laptop. And I got some words of inspiration to hang on the wall. Now I totally forgot that they weren't coming in frames because that's how they show them on the picture. I automatically assumed I was getting frames. So when I got them, I was like, oh, that's right. They don't ship these in frames. So I will have to make a run to the dollar store one of these days. It may be today because I do need some bulbs for the kitchen. But today is the coldest. They said Canada is the coldest place on earth today. Guys, I don't do well with the cold. I got these inspirational quotes. So I am planning to put them on the wall, probably over here on this wall here. I'm hoping to find gold frames. So we have work hard. I might put some here and I might put some over here. Stay positive. Make it happen. And believe in yourself. So I might put 2 over here and 2 over here. We'll see. I haven't decided yet. This is like a backseat chair cover for where my toddler sits, because if you guys can see the back of that car seat right now, it is full of footprints, mud, dirt, you name it. I want to wipe it down, clean it, and put this protection on it. It looks so bad. Yeah, it's just a protection to go on the back of the seat because it is just too much. And then I got this little mist thing here, as well as as well as this essential oil to go with it. However, I did not realize it was a massage oil. It's a skin, hair, massage, fragrance, essential oil. So it's not really concentrated. So when I do put it in here, you don't really smell it as much because it's not that strong to begin with. So when I put it in the water, it just completely just takes it away. I ended up spraying my body spray from, where is it called? So you can even smell it in here, the body spray. From, where is it from again? Victoria's Secret. And it worked perfectly because that body spray is really strong. So I sprayed that in the water and it smelled really nice in here. It smelled like a spray, but this is not strong enough. So I guess I'll just use this just for an extra scent. Maybe put it in my hair at some point, you know, just get, you know, smell nice. It does smell really good. Actually, it smells really good. It's cherry blossom. It's just very, very light. So I ended up like throwing some on the carpet just to give it a little aroma in here. I have a spa smell sometimes. This is what this smells like. I just wish it was stronger. I'm gonna see if I can find a cherry blossom, like an actual essential oil cherry blossom, and get it for this. But I put a little picture of it. I used it yesterday. I'll put a little video of it in this video. But it's very cute. It's super cute. It's super cute and it works very well. The only thing is the cord is very short, so it's very limited on where you can put it. I guess I could plug it in somewhere on like on the floor or something and just have it spray up. It doesn't really need to be seen per se. And last but not least, I got this hair cover. I seen it. I thought it was cute. I do need a hair cover and I got it specifically because it has this tie hair, because my hair cover always falls off my head, always. So I got it because of that, and I like the fact that it has it's a stretchy material. This is the silk part, and then you have this part here. That's the stretchy material. So I do like that a lot. So I ended up wearing it last night, and it's very comfortable. I love it. That is my little haul from Temu. I'm probably going to get some more things, especially for the office. I don't know what yet, but I did see a lot of stuff. I saw some outfits, guys, on Temu that I'm going to have to get. They were cute, like especially for like summer, like spring. It's more spring. They were cute. I'm not even going to lie to you. So I might have to look into Temu in some outfits. I put it in the cart just to put it in the cart. But Temu has some nice clothes that I was seeing. And I have ordered from them before. I'll put that link in this video too. So I'm not new to buying clothes off them. I bought clothes for my baby, my toddler at the time. He was what, maybe 1, I think. I bought two jackets for me and my, no, was the jackets from them or was the jackets from Shein? I think the jackets was from Shein. I can't remember. Can't remember the video, but I bought a lot of clothes for the baby at the time. For my toddler at the time when he was 1. And they're pretty good. And I think I bought some other stuff, but I'll put that video in there because they're interested to know the quality of the clothes and everything like that, or my opinion. I'll put that link below. You guys can, or above and below, and you guys can check that out.